Hello, good day, and welcome to this episode of our tutorials. This is just going to be about introduction to our tutorials. I know we have been watching Engremmapel tutorials for a while ago, and you'll have been wondering what it's really all about. I am Emmanuel Ayokomi Uluwapelumi by name, and that's where this Engremmapel came from. This is engineer Emmanuel Pelumi. I'm an engineering student actually. So for this tutorial, it was created mainly for engineering students and maybe other departments also that are doing the below courses. So we offer courses like applied electricity, applied mechanics, fluid mechanics, and engineering maths with a little bit of solid modeling. But our main focus is engineering courses. So we are just telling you, like, this is a platform that is going to really help you if you are an engineering student. And you come across a lot of questions in engineering, and this engineering department, it's a department that you have to be very familiar with calculations, the way it gets. So that's why we are going to be treating us on all these courses. So our concentration, what's our main target is for engineering students preparing for tests or exams. So there's these mistakes students normally do that normally affects, like we plan at the late hour, let me put it that way. Like it is when we hear that there's test, that's when we start studying, and that is very, very wrong. If you want to really wow your teachers, like if you want to really do well in your academics, you have to start studying right from the point you are being taught, even before. Because right from secondary school, your teachers always tell you that study before you come to class. Because when you study before you come to class, it's not because that you have already known, you might not know that topic, but you have an idea of what you have read. You just read it. There's this sense in our brain that when you glance through something, it's not that you know it, but at least you saw some things. So when you are now taught later, after you've gone through it, it will assimilate better than you not reading that up before the class. Do you get? Then after the class, maybe you might still find it a little bit difficult. When you carry it again at the end of the class, you see that you have a refreshed memory, like you'll be able to practice. So it doesn't stop there too. When you have carry the study material at the end of the class, you still have to practice different questions. So you will know a lot of styles and a lot of questions that can come out from that particular topic. From there, you solve past questions. You just search everywhere. You can even browse on either GPT or Grok. They can give you questions to solve. People say GPT is not good, Grok is not good for students. I don't actually agree with that, because they are a tool, just like people normally misuse it. So it's a tool that you can use to study. Imagine you typing out some topics for Grok or GPT, telling him to give you questions, and you've worked on the topic before. You see that you solving those questions will give you a better idea of what you are going to be having. So that's just a little about what I want to pass across. So we also have students finding calculation confusing. We students, we are very, very different. We have different methods of learning. Some learn in an introvert way, they just want to be alone. I think I have a little bit characteristic about that, because I feel if I'm alone, I assimilate better. It's not that I don't assimilate better maybe when I'm with my friends, but that's alone. I just want to be alone, me and my study materials and everything. But there are some, like, they want to be among others so that they can learn better, because they need somebody to put them through. They need people to chat with them. Maybe a little bit of play too can join, because all work and no play make Jack a doughboy. It is different in every areas. So students finding calculation confusing. You can just flow with friends, and you can just decide to be alone. But once you get your own weak points, just work on it. That's the main point. If you know that you are better at getting what you are reading when alone, just be alone and get the best you are going to get in class first before you are going to be alone, because it's going to actually help you. Another thing I can just recommend for you is that you watch tutorials very well on YouTube. Search for related topics and watch tutorials. So that is very, very helping. So simple and direct explanation. I offer simple and direct explanation by the grace of God. So I just with what, it's not that I'm a big fan like that. I just decided to, like, if I study and I'm good with that topic, I feel like if I'm explaining to others, I'm also gaining more. So that steers me to like teach people. That's for my secondary school. I'm this kind of person that normally like to put people through something. And before I started university, I did a little of teaching service at my house before I started coming. So that's what helped me to an extent. So that's all for this. There are more to say, but I don't want to put everything right now. So I just want to let us know that this tutorial is mainly for you, and it will really help you if you can subscribe, like, share, and comment. So there are a lot of people that still need what you are enjoying, and but they don't have access to them because you have not shared it to them, or you never talk to them about it. So, and I believe that if you are benefiting from a particular source, it will be like a blame for you if you cannot share it to others, because you are benefiting from it. You need to support it. Do you understand it? So that's all. I just want to do the introduction for the channel and what we are presenting to you. I want to say a big thank you for the subscribers that we have had so far, and people that are still going to subscribe. I say thank you very much for all you guys have been doing to support this channel on YouTube. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Please do very well to like, share, and subscribe. We are still going to be doing many more videos on this channel. Thank you very much.